Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, I hope you're hungry. It's lunchtime. I'm losing track of how many, but I want to say this is number 6.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
Alright folks, time to get down to business. Moisture Max for the first time. Let's do it. Big shout out and a thank you to Al Hain with Yard Mastery for hooking me up with Moisture Max. Alrighty, so it calls for about 6 ounces per 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet of lawn. I am doing a couple zones in my entire lawn. Each zone is about 3,000 square feet, so each zone will require about 18 ounces total per zone. So that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing 18 ounces into 3 gallons of water in my backpack tank sprayer that I got from Yard Mastery. So you all remember Hydratane, right? By Green County Farms? Well, this is Yard Mastery's version of Hydratane. This is a collaboration, a partnership, if you will, from Yard Mastery to Green County Farms. And this is the concoction that they have come up with in their mad science laboratory. In it is also 4% of sea kelp, which will help a lot with the root development, especially in these hot summer days. And just overall, right, this will help enhance your water retention. Potentially, you could even, dare I say, reduce your watering frequency on your schedule. Don't stop watering, obviously, but this will enhance the water retention from what you're already doing with your irrigation and then the natural rain. The really cool thing about this product, though, over Hydratane, is unlike Hydratane, Moisture Max has built into it the penetrant and the surfactant. They're built in now. You don't have to now go and get yourself a surfactant. And it has that penetrant that's built in, so it'll break that barrier down and it will drive itself deep into the soil and into the roots. That is the big differentiating factor between this and Hydratane. So let's see how this bad boy does over the weeks and months. But it says apply this bad boy about every 6 weeks or so in your routine summer lawn care. Let me know if you're interested yourself in some Moisture Max. Let me know how you hold yourself over during these hot summer days. What do you do? What's your method to all this madness? But if you are interested in Moisture Max, I will have the link posted in the description.